Let me tell you something you probably need to hear right now. Not from some influencer, not from some expert, but from a man who's been through it. Quitting looks easy until you realize it never ends. You don't just quit once, you quit 100 times. Quietly, silently, slowly. You quit when you say, "I'll do it tomorrow." You quit when you scroll past the hard truth and click the comfort. You quit when you ghost your potential instead of confronting your weakness. And the truth is, you've probably quit so many times that you don't even recognize it anymore. But here's what makes this different. You're still here. You're watching this. That means something inside you is still alive, even if it's buried under years of shame, pain, failure, or isolation. And I'm not here to preach at you. I'm here to tell you the truth like a brother would. Because I've quit too. I've quit on dreams, on people, on myself. I've laid in bed staring at the ceiling, wondering if I'd ever pull my life together. I've watched the world pass me by while I pretended everything was fine. And I've hated myself for it, deeply, quietly. The kind of hate that hides behind the eyes and eats at you when no one else is looking. But you know what saved me? It wasn't a viral video, it wasn't some motivational quote, it was identity. It was the moment I realized I wasn't made to quit, that the man I could become was worth crawling for, bleeding for, that if I didn't fight for him I'd be stuck living as a shadow of who I could have been. And that was a death sentence. So I started over, one path, one discipline, one win at a time, and I didn't do it alone. I built something I wish I had back when I was lost. A system, a tribe, a transformation ritual for men like us. It's called OLP 365 and it's not a brand. It's a battleground. 12 paths, one compass. It's where men come to rebuild, redeem, and rise again. Maybe you're there right now, wondering if you still have time, if you still have fight left, if you're too far gone. Let me say this directly to your face. You are not done. You are not broken beyond repair. And you damn sure are not going to quit. Not today. Because men like us don't quit. We crawl through it. We fail forward. We carry scars like medals. We lead even while bleeding. We walk the compass even if our legs are shaking. And if you're hearing this, that means you're one of us, even if you don't believe it yet. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep showing up. That's what the scrolls don't get. They think power is loud. They think discipline is about screaming at the gym and flexing online. But honestly, real power is quiet, internal, consistent. It's waking up at 5 a.m. when nobody's watching. It's finishing your reps even when your body says stop. It's writing down your future when the present feels like a mess. It's looking in the mirror and saying you're not done. Pick up your sword. I'm not here to save you. But I am here to remind you that the man you could become is still inside you, and I will not let you quit on him. So here's your move. Walk the path, follow the system, build the man you were always meant to become. If you're ready, drop a sword emoji in the comments. If you're not, scroll away. But don't lie to yourself anymore. Because from this point forward, you either join the Legion, or you disappear with the rest of the quitters. We don't cry about it, we train through it. We don't run from the pain, we lead through it. We don't hide, we fight. Because men like us don't quit.